Like sugar on my tongue, tongue, tongue. Your body is so sweet, sweet, sweet. Invite me if you come, come, come. Honey drips slow from the moon's despair. A taste so sweet, bends the light.
Tongue on my tongue, burning bright. The carnival's gone, but the cotton sticks. The fingers I promise is thin but thick. The baker's gone there with flour in her hair. Leaves traces of sweetness everywhere.
Oh, sugar on my tongue, like a stolen kiss. Melting too fast, dissolving like mist. Every grain of memory, every drop of light.
Every grain of memory, every drop of light. But I'll lick the bowl till the well runs dry. The jukebox hums a bittersweet to make the syrup slow dancing with the spoon. The diner lights flicker, the countertop cleans with the ghost of 1,000 sugar dreams.
Oh, sugar on my tongue, like a stolen kiss.
Oh, sugar on my tongue.
Stolen witness.
Every grain of memory, every drop of light. But I'll lick the bowl till the well runs dry.
Like sugar on my tongue, tongue, tongue. Your body is so sweet, sweet, sweet. Invite me if you come, come, come. Honey drips slow from the moon's despair. A taste so sweet, bends the light.
Tongue on my tongue, burning bright. The carnival's gone, but the cotton sticks. The fingers I promise is thin but thick. The baker's gone there with flour in her hair. Leaves traces of sweetness everywhere.
Oh, sugar on my tongue, like a stolen kiss. Melting too fast, dissolving like mist. Every grain of memory, every drop of light.
Every grain of memory, every drop of light. But I'll lick the bowl till the well runs dry. The jukebox hums a bittersweet to make the syrup slow dancing with the spoon. The diner lights flicker, the countertop cleans with the ghost of 1,000 sugar dreams.
Oh, sugar on my tongue, like a stolen kiss.
Oh, sugar on my tongue.
Stolen witness.
Every grain of memory, every drop of light. But I'll lick the bowl till the well runs dry.
Like sugar on my tongue, tongue, tongue. Your body is so sweet, sweet, sweet. Invite me if you come, come, come. Honey drips slow from the moon's despair. A taste so sweet, bends the light.
Tongue on my tongue, burning bright. The carnival's gone, but the cotton sticks. The fingers I promise is thin but thick. The baker's gone there with flour in her hair. Leaves traces of sweetness everywhere.
Oh, sugar on my tongue, like a stolen kiss. Melting too fast, dissolving like mist. Every grain of memory, every drop of light.
Every grain of memory, every drop of light. But I'll lick the bowl till the well runs dry. The jukebox hums a bittersweet to make the syrup slow dancing with the spoon. The diner lights flicker, the countertop cleans with the ghost of 1,000 sugar dreams.
Oh, sugar on my tongue, like a stolen kiss.